everybody, it's Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Catherine's Life, Beauty and Lifestyle. Today, we're going on location. We're in my bathroom. I'm happy that you joined me today. Today, I'm sharing with you how I clean my dirty makeup brushes. If you haven't already clicked the subscribe button, please go ahead and do that. It's absolutely free to subscribe to my channel, and I upload videos 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So obviously you need dirty brushes. I have my Beauty Blender cleanser. I have found that Beauty Blender has the best cleanser to clean my brushes. I've tried different liquid brush cleaners and I always end up coming back to this one. This is the first time that I am using the Solid Pro size. I've always used these small white travel ones. This is considerably larger, and I believe it has charcoal in it. I'm not exactly sure what the benefit is of that, but I will let you know after I've finished cleaning my brushes what I think of this. And I'm also using this Real Technique brush cleaner. That's probably not the correct name, but I will link everything below in the description box. There'll be lots more information in there, and I will have links to everything in case you're interested in anything. And last but not least, I have my Benjabelle brush tree. It's important to hang your brushes up upside down after you finish cleaning them. That lets any water that might be left in the bristles or in the ferrule to drain out. You don't want to lay your brushes down because if there's water left in the ferrule, it could end up ruining your brushes over time. So what I like to do is I like to wet my brush and then I rub it on the cleanser bar. And then I'm going to take the brush tray and just work the brush around it and get all the dirt coming out. As you can see, that brush cleaner works really well. I will go in a second time with some more soap, but I would say it took off about 95% of the dirt. And this little device is very handy too. It has little grooves in it to get in your brush, and it really helps to clean it. So there are my brushes hanging upside down to dry. There were a few that I cannot hang because they're double-ended. Ideally, you should clean your brushes once a week. I have to tell you, I was really impressed by how well the Pro Size Beauty Blender Cleanser worked. I actually prefer the Pro over the regular sized cleanser. I thought that it did a great job of just making the dirt disappear after the first rinsing. I was also very impressed by this Real Techniques brush cleaner. It really got into the brushes, especially the foundation brushes with the little grooves that it has. There's 3 different levels of grooves, and it really cleaned the face foundation brushes very good. You saw that they went from being covered with foundation back to almost looking like a brand new brush. And then when you have white brushes, sometimes it's hard to get them back to their white color. So I found that using this with the Beauty Blender, it in fact did return the brushes to almost looking like they were brand new. Ideally, you should clean your brushes once a week. If you don't want to clean your brushes every day, because I know it can be a pain, I have a few options for you. This is the Sephora Color Switch by Vera Mona. And basically what you do, it has a little filter in it, and you would just pass your, say you were doing eye colors and you were going from a dark color to a light color, you just pass your brush through here and it cleans the brush very quickly for you. Another option that I like is the It's Your Brush Love by IT Cosmetics, and it's an instant brush cleaner. And it works quite well when you want to just, you know, clean your brushes after using them, but not do like a deep clean like I just showed you here. And you basically just squirt your brush and rub it on a paper towel or a Kleenex, and it instantly melts the makeup away. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to share my channel with your friends, and I thank you for spending time out of your day with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.